Change of focus.
You got your shirt caught in there.
Funny how that works.
Hang on, go ahead.
Shooter, you understand course of fire?
Yes.
Shooter
Okay,
ready?
it was single digits that,
Stand by.
wasn't it? It's pretty cold.
I don't remember, that was too long ago. It was cold though. No, we also had sunshine though.
About busted that 2x4 off.
It was definitely dead calm.
Shooter, are you ready?
Oh.
I do remember that now. It was a nice.
So I
Stand
was
by.
like, so worried, I didn't even have my full jacket zipped up. It's, yeah, I'm
It was
like.
cold, but it was warm.
I didn't get
12-7-9. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by. Eleven 5-4.
11-5-4.
Seahawks playing today?
Couldn't tell you. I'm sure they are.
I would assume so. I just don't know what time.
I have not been watching.
I haven't been paying much attention either. I was
Shooter, are you ready?
I don't
Stand
follow
by.
the Sea Hags anyway.
Eleven 09.
11-09, last round.
Last one, sir.
When I last saw the Buccaneers were up.
You a Packerbacker?
Yep.
Right on.
Born and raised here and I'm from Packers Day.
Okay, last
I
one.
lived in
Shooter
Minnesota
ready.
for 9 years, and that was
Stand by.
that was a little fun. They don't play till 4:30, Tom.
Oh, okay. It's you, John.
Against Philly at home.
Thank you, sir.
Consistent, Dan.
Shooter, are you ready? Stand by.
It's pretty swamp.
Thirteen 17.
There,
Oh, I know.
10-2-6.
10 to 6.
Different park.
I was like, it's never been a knockout.
No, it's
But maybe they
always
did it. Maybe they tried to do it.
Maybe there's something.
Yeah. That's why I was like,
Shooter, are you ready?
Maybe that's why it's locked.
Stand by.
Tom, can't you get some grant money and get that thing
They've been
rebuilt?
open for a while.
Quite a while. Couple of years.
I was in Minnesota, I used to shoot
11-3-0.
6.
boots are colder than my tennis
Back
shoes.
then, 'cause you got,
Short
Super cold.
double stack 9.
Shooter, are you ready?
my subcompact space.
Stand by.
Yeah, 40 rounds. Yeah, I had 13 round mags for it too. But it'll fit the whole 18 round.
Really?
So I'm, you know, subcompact.
Well, that's what I like about the blocks.
10-9-8.
The biggest
10,
one
9,
will
8,
fit
last
pretty well.
round.
Last-
There's like
Something wrong.
3 tubes in case you need
No, I
some.
think shot well. You know, that was
Shooter,
pretty
are you
early in the
ready?
stages of, you know, that kind of
Stand
shooting
by.
for me, and you know, I never probably surpassed
They
fourth
just,
or fifth
they
place.
just have
but no, I never surpassed third or fourth.
12, 8, 2. 12, 8, 2.
12, 8, 2.
All right, load and make ready.
And I gave
If they're
him
doing it tonight.
That's 3, 4, 9.
Oh, you know you did not get it done.
Don't have to shoot. I'm not sure how many people. They only usually do 6 people.
I'm not the one riding.
Yeah, I know.
Can't do the whole.
Oh, right.
But
I have to make sure my total score doesn't end up as one of my
Do
rounds.
it.
Did you back
Do
me
it
up
twice a week or
Yep.
once a month?
twice a week.
so that I
They
don't
do it,
like
Sunday.
mine's over there.
5, 4, 1.
5, 4, 1.
5.
Just thinking that.
You want this?
Shooter, are you ready?
Got it?
Stand by.
Yeah, I watched that a couple times.
Not easier.
8, 2, 5.
8, 2, 5.
Here's.
Shooter, are you ready?
What kind of drink is black? Hot.
What's your shoes? Oh my god.
One of the kids.
6, 1, 8.
How?
6, 1, 8.
I don't know if they're signed up for this Sunday, but. Yeah, come on out and check it out. I think he's.
Shooter, are you ready?
A little bit.
Stand by.
Yeah, I won't wait it today, but I definitely will.
Sunday or
Okay, that's.
6, 7, 8.
Thank you for
6,
telling
7,
us.
8.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
One more?
I see it's Steve.
Last one.
All right, one more.
Why you put it in the bag?
Shooter, are you ready?
Under Armour bag.
Stand by.
Nice shooting, Chuck.
5, 8, 7.
5, 8, 7.
5, 8, 7. That is a wrap.